Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Queenofsheeba. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick skincare routine, showing you what I do every day and every night. It really doesn't change. I use the same products all the time, day and night, and then sometimes I just add in moisturizer with SPF in it. So thanks for watching and let's get into the tutorial. So first I moisturize my lips. And I'm going to be using some cocoa butter because nobody likes crusty lips, you know. So I'm going to hydrate my lips. First, I'm going to use some LoReal Micellar water to cleanse my face, to prep it for what I'm going to do next. It's gonna seem like it's a lot of steps, but I really love to take care of my skin. See, it looks clean, but look at that. That's why I take these steps to cleanse my skin. Because even when I'm not wearing makeup, which is like 90% of the time, I want to take care of my skin. And I don't want my skin to look crazy without makeup on it. Okay, first, I'm going to use my moisturizing Shea Moisture Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask. I use this all over my face. I'll put this all over. I keep looking up because my mirror is up here, so I don't want to be out of the shot. Let me move my little curlies out the way. Make sure I don't get my baby hair that I just did. Always remember to put some on your neck. All right. Now I'm going to add some charcoal black sugar dual action facial scrub. Like I said in my previous video, I like using these two together because when I use the scrub by itself, it has the sugar in it and it's really, you massage it in like this, but it makes my skin so red and it's almost like too harsh for the skin. So I like mixing these two together. I'm gonna let this sit on here once I get it on for about 20 minutes. Or about 20-30 minutes, depending on what I'm doing. If I have to go in the house and clean up, check some emails or whatever, or just sit down and watch a little bit of TV. Make sure I didn't miss a spot. I'm gonna get my nose. right, we're gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes. Back. I just had to go wash the scrub off. Off camera it's too much work to do, and it's kind of messy because it has the sugar in it. So off camera I just mixed it all together, rubbed it in for about a minute, rinsed it all off with warm water. Now I'm back. Now I'm going to take some toner from Shea Moisture. This is the African Black Soap Problem Skin Toner with tea tree oil. It's for clean and balancing blemish prone skin and oily skin. So I just spray a couple of pumps. This is just to tone my skin back after all the scrub I just did to balance the pH back into my skin. It's not to like cleanse or anything. So after that, I take my Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel and I'm gonna wash my face. This is a damp towel, a warm damp towel. Just take a little bit of this, put it all over my skin, my neck. I'll rub it in. I know it seems like a lot of steps, but I don't really have acne, but I have blemish prone skin. So I do a couple of steps to make sure my pores are clean and they don't get clogged even when I'm not wearing makeup. Now I'm just going to rinse it off with this warm towel. And now I'm going to let that dry. Now it's all clean. Just a few more steps, guys. So now I'm going to take my Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream for your eye area, for your under eye. I'm going to take like a pea-sized amount, place it under my eyes, add a little more for the top. My eye area gets dry from all the eyeshadow, powder if you wear foundation and you set under your eyes, mascara, eyeshadow, anything that I manipulate my eyes. I need to add moisture back because I'm not getting any younger, guys, and I don't want any signs of aging on my skin. So now the last two steps, I'm going to take my Mary Kay Time Wise Night Serum. This is like a 12-in-1 serum for your skin. Take 2 pumps of that. And my Nip Vibe Hydro Serum with Dragon's Blood. And it has hyaluronic acid in it. I just mix the two together. Put it all over my skin. Down to my neck. This is just for an extra amount of moisture. It's not greasy, it's gonna dry flat. Place a little bit on my eyes, down to my neck. We're gonna let that dry. And now, last step is my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream for extra dry skin. I don't have dry skin, but I love this formula. We just put just a little smidge on my face, on my neck. I'm gonna rub that in. Oh, I feel like a whole new person. Well, I'm done. This was my skincare routine, and I really appreciate you guys watching my video today. If you like Anything you've seen here or want any more information or anything I share with you guys that I use on my skin, leave it in the comment box. And thanks for watching. And please don't forget to rate, subscribe, like, and share this video. And leave in the comment box anything else you would like to see from me. Thank you.